Lionheart. I'm a musician, artist, singer-songwriter from Botswana, based in the United Kingdom. My work and my passion is to share Botswana music with the rest of the world. I am Brand Botswana and I'm an active global citizen. Some of you may ask why Lorraine Lionheart is doing this. I do it for me, I do it for B2B. The way I see it, no single country is perfect, and having interacted with so many people from different countries across the world, I know that we're so fortunate. I'm very fortunate to be coming from such an amazing country, and it takes a lot. It takes a lot of hard work that Botswana have put into making this country what it is. So why not celebrate it? Interact with global citizens, people from all around the world. And in my experience performing in Europe or everywhere else in the world, I acknowledge that Botswana is unknown. Every time I go somewhere to perform, people ask me, where are you from? I'm from Botswana. And people still don't know where it is. I always have to explain that it's somewhere near South Africa and Zimbabwe and all these other countries that are better known than Botswana. And I want to take it up upon myself to invite a lot of Botswana in Botswana and globally to share everything about Botswana, the information, everything that's beautiful. We're so fortunate to be coming from an amazing country that has so much beauty to share with the rest of the world. And the beauty thing is, the world is actually interested in Botswana. So I'm inviting everybody out there. Get online, get on Facebook, social media platform, whatever you use, share Botswana.